Welcome to our education channel from class 8th maths. The chapter 7 is percent and percentage. So in this chapter, let me explain all the word problems based on the various type of questions in the percent and percentages. So I am divided into 4 categories. So part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. So different type. So every method, 1 or 2 questions, let me take and explain. Before starting this, let us see the basic concepts of this percentage chapter, and providing the links in description below about the worksheet, assignments and question bank about these chapters. So all the chapters you can find it in the link in description below. Right. So when you see this word percent, if you observe this word percent, if you separate the letters per cent, that means for every 100. Cent, cent is for 100. That meaning is for every 100. Every 100 we have to calculate that, nothing but is a percentage. Now for example, if you take 8, so 8 is a number. Now this is, if you take 8 divided by 100, 8 if you take into 100 parts, so in this is a fraction form, 8 by 100, there's nothing but this is 8% we can write per 100. So 8 divided by 100, 8 percentage symbol. Fraction is 8 by 100 format and percentage is 8 percentage. There's a fractions to percentage. Like if the question is 20%, that means 20 for 100. That you can write 20 by 100. We can simplify this. So 20% is nothing but 1 5 0 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2 5, 1 by 5. So 1/5, 1 by 5 is exactly equal to 20 percentage. So converting fraction to percentage and percentage to fraction. This two reverse to express the given number as percent, multiply by 100 and the same step attach the percentage symbol. Now if this is the fraction to percentage, that means we got indirectly this is 8 by 100 multiply with 100. So 100 get cancelled. Now if the question is like 3 by 5, this is in fractional form, 3 by 5. To convert into percentage, take 3 by 5 multiply with 100. Now whatever the answer you got, you must keep in percentage symbol. Right, this is, so 5 times 2, 5 2 is a 10, 20, 23 is a, so 60 percentage. 3 by 5 is equal to 60 percentage. Same way 60 percentage is 3 by 5. This is the conversion, fraction to percentage multiply by 100 and percentage to fraction divide by 100. Right, same if you have the 60 percentage, to convert this take 60 divided by 100, then exactly you will get again 3 by 5, 0 0, 2 table, 2 3 is a 2 5, so 3 by 5. Right, so these are two ways we can express. This is one part, converting percentage to fraction and fraction to percentage. Just remember that, because we have to apply in these word problems remaining the part. And same way 5 as the percentage. So for example, x by y is a fraction. To convert into the percentage, x by y into 100 percentage. So both are same, x by y. To convert into percentage, multiply with 100. This is one thing. Again we have the formulas. Increase percentage means increase in quantity by original quantity in 100, and decrease percentage is decrease by original quantity is 100. Those basic formulas also, when I'm showing this word problems, I'll explain. Let us start the word problems one by one now. So we'll see the word problems part 1. Before starting this word problems, for example, if you notice the question like this, if it is a 3% of 30, this we can make 3 percentage. No, 3 percentage we can write 3 by 100 and into 30. This we can calculate, that is exactly 3% of 30. So 0 0 cancel, 3 3 is a 9 by 10. 9 by 10 is 3% of 30. So we need to apply those concepts in the problems also. See here one by one. First one, a man spends 65% of his salary and saves 525 per month. Find his monthly salary. So let monthly salary you have to find out. So let man's monthly salary is X. So which is the unknown variable, we can take the x and do it. Play easy. Let the man's monthly salary, let be rupees x. Monthly salary you have to find out. And he spent 65% of his salary, but saving is 525. So he spends 65% of his salary. The word of his salary. So 65% of x, because monthly salary is x. 65% of x, that is he spent. Now this, if we simplify like this example, 65%, 65 by 100 into x. Okay. You can simplify or also can it be 65 by 100 into x. Next, he saves. So we have, so from total salary what is spent, if you subtract, that is he saves. Now total is x. He spent 65 by 100 into x. Okay, if you simplify this, 5 table, 520 is 100, again 513, right? 13x by 20 is spending. Total salary is x. Then he saves is, from total salary subtract what is spent, that is 13x by 20. This is exactly equals to what is saves, that is 525. 525. Now this you can simplify and get the answer. This part. So it is x minus 13x by 20. Do LCM. 20x minus 13x by 20, right, is equals to 525. Then 20x minus 13x, 7x is equals to 525 into 20. 20 is dividing, take right side and multiply. Then simplify. Then x is equals to 525 into 20 divided by 7. Can cancel this 7 table. 7 sevens are 49, 35, no, 5 are 75 into 20, rupees 1500. Yes. So monthly salary is 1500. Let be unknown variable is x, and you can apply this concept. See one more problem in this source method. Okay. So this is the question. This one, a number 4.0 is wrongly read as 4.48. Find the percentage error. How much error we got? That is in percentage. Number 4.0 is wrongly read as 4.48. So first you have to find out the error in this. So they're supposed to read 4.48. Yeah, 4.0 is wrongly read as 4.48. So that means how much extra they read. Instead of 4.0, 4.48. So 4.0 subtract from this. That is 0.48. 0.48 is the error. Now if you want the percentage error is the error divided by original number. Original number, what they supposed to do, into 100 to convert into percentage. So in this problem, the error is 0.48 divided by, then original number is 4.0. This is supposed to be, but wrongly they read as this. So original number is 4.0 into 100. So 0.48 into 100, 48 by 4, that is the 12. So 12% is there. Right. And see the next question. In a consignment of 500 articles, 70 articles are broken. Find the percentage of remaining articles. Here is 70 articles are broken. Then number of remaining articles first. So percentage of the remaining articles. First we should know number of the remaining articles. Since 70 articles are broken, so number of remaining articles is equals to, out of 500 minus 70, so 430. Then percentage of the remaining. Percentage, they are asking find the percentage of the remaining. So percentage of remaining articles is, actually remaining articles by original number. original is 500. So in this 430 is the remaining articles, by original is 500 into 100 to convert into percentage. This will simplify, we'll get 86 percentage. Just cancel this 0 0 52 0 43 into 2 is 86 percentage. This is the formula. If anything if they are asking particular percentage, that value by original into 100 we can apply. We'll see a few more sums. In this word problems, so part 2, the third one is, in an election between two candidates, one candidate secured 43% of the total votes. One candidate got 43% of the total votes polled but lost election by 4,900 votes. Find the total number of votes polled. So question is about total number of votes polled. Let us take this value. So let total number. So total number of votes polled. Let it be X. Now in this problem, 43% of the total votes. One candidate secured 43% of the total value. So vote secured by losing candidate, but he lost by election by 4,900. Therefore, the vote secured by losing candidate. The votes secured by the person who lost. No? So losing candidate 43% of X. The votes he lost 43%. So he secured 43% but lost. So that means he got the votes only 43% of X. Right? And the votes secured by winning candidate. So he's got 43% means the another person is 100 minus 43. Then therefore, and the vote secured by winning, then winning candidate. So total percentage is 100 out of 100 43. That means 100 minus 43. 100 minus 43% of X again. Okay, that is equals to 57. 57% of X. Just remember. But he lost election by 4,900 votes. So one candidate secured 43% of total votes polled but lost election by 4,900. That means the difference between the winning and losing candidate votes is 4,900 because he lost the election by 4,900. You don't get exactly that much number. He lost the election by this many votes. So that means together that is a 57% of X minus 43% of X is equals to 4,900. Okay, this stuff you should know clearly first. So he lost the election by 4,900. That means winning minus losing. The difference between the two members' votes is 4,900. We can simplify 57% of X minus 43% of X. 57 minus 43. So 14. 14% of X is 4,900. You can simplify this. 14% of X. So 14 by 100 into X is equals to 4,900. You can find out the X value easily. Then X is equals to 4,900 into 100 by 14. You can simplify this. 7 times 2. 7 7s are 4900. Again 2 350. That means 3500. 35,000. So number of votes polled is total 35,000. In this 35,000, based on this, one person got only 43, but he lost election by 4,900. Right. So in this is the main step. We followed this problem. Right. And next one, you can see one more sum. This problem, the cost of a machine depreciates every year by 10% of its cost at the beginning of the year. Depreciate word. So every year 10% is decreasing. If the present cost of the machine is 10,000, find its cost after 1 year and after 2 years. So I'll give two formulas first. When the cost is depreciates by X% every year, then value after 1 year. For example, depreciate. So subtraction minus it is. Depreciates is equals to X percentage. Then value after 1 year. Value after 1 year is equals to present value into. The formula is present value in the bracket 1 minus X by 100. X is the percentage of depreciates. This is after 1 year. Same way. So value after, okay, they're asking find the value after 1 year, right? So you can use this formula. Present value is 10,000 into 1 minus 10% is depreciates by 100. You can calculate this. So 10,000 into 1 minus 10 by 100, 90 by 100. So cancel this 100 into 90, then 9,000. So 9,000 is the value after 1 year because every year is decreasing 10%. Same way for value after 2 years. If you want to find out value after 2 years, that is same present value into 1 minus X by 100 to the power 2, because 1 minus X by 100 should take 2 times. 1 minus X by 100 into 1 minus X by 100. So 1 minus X by 100 to the power 2, all to the power 2 you can take. This you can apply, you'll get value after 2 years. Should be decreased. First year is present is 10,000. So after 1 year it became 9,000. Then after 2 years, so this value is present value is 10,000. 1 minus X. So 10 by 100 to the power 2. That is 10,000 into 1 minus 10 by 100 is 90 by 100. Should power 2 right? No, 90 by 100 should write 2 times. Then cancel this. 100, so 10,000. 90 into 90, 8,100. Right? So 8,100 rupees is after 2 years this value. After 1 year that value becomes 9,000. Because this is the depreciates type. Next we will start even the increase or decrease combination also. I will show some example sums. In percentages problems. So here is the question is, the number 5,000 is first decreased by 10% and then increased by 20%. Find the resulting number. So here is, you need to observe the two basic things. Whenever it is increasing, you can take the plus. So increasing the percentage. In the formula, we suppose take the plus symbol, and decreasing. So decreasing is the minus. Let us see the formula now. First it decreased by 10%, then increased by 20%. So then the resulting number. The resulting number is, you should take always from the original number. So original number is here. First, what is the number? 5,000 is the original. So in this formula, so original number, then into, if it is 1 plus X by 100, 1 minus X by 100. X is a percentage. First decreased. Decrease means 1 minus. So 10 by 100. Next increase 20. So 1 plus. So 20 by 100. Same like previous problem, previous concept you have checked, no, same type. Just to apply the values and simplify. Original number is 5,000 into 1 minus 10 by 100. I can simplify. 1 minus 1 by 10 into 1 plus 21, so 25. So 1 by 5. Do LCM now. So 5,000 into 1 minus 1 by 10 is 9 by 10. 1 plus 1 by 5 is 6 by 5. You can simplify this. 0, 0 cancel. 5 ones are 500. 9 into 6, 5,400. 54 into 100 is 5,400. 5,400 is the resulting number. 5,000 if increased by 10% and decreased by 10, again if increased 20, then result becomes 5,400. Right? Let us see one more same type. In this question, increased and decreased. So same method we apply. Let us how to apply the resulting number. So that I'll give you resulting number is, always you should take with the original number. In this question, first 20,000. So original number is 20,000 into increased by 30%. So 1 plus 30 by 100 into next decreased by 20. So 1 minus, so 20 by 100. We just simplify, you'll get the answer. Now 20,000 into 1 plus 30 by 100 is 130 by 100. Directly you can take LCM. 1 minus 20 by 100. 1 means 1 by 1, normal LCM method. 100 minus 20, so 80 by 100. Right. They take the LCM directly and just cancelling. You can observe the cancelling. 100 times 2 will get, because 20,000. 2 zeros cancel and more 2. 2 into 130 into 80. This you simplify. 230 into 26. 260 into again 80. Just 216 26 into 8. So 208 00. That means 20,800. So even if it is increased by 30, then decreased by 20. So little bit value is increased, because increasing is 30 but decreasing only 20, right? That's why. Again, if you take one more time increasing or decreasing, just you can continue in this type extra by taking other blocks we can make. So this is the problems you notice. Again, we have continuation, some more problems it's percent and percentages. Let us see the few more problems. So in this case, this problem, A's income is 10% more than B's income. How much percentage is B's income is less than A? So A income is 10% more than B, right? Then the question is how much less it is. Now surely B is less, but what percent B's income is less than A? Not exactly 10, it is different. A's income is 10% more than B. That means don't think B is 10% less than A. Let us see the problem, you can understand clearly. According to the method, first let B's income. So we can do in two methods this. One is the alternate method, algebraic method by taking x, or else let the income make to the 100. Any unknown variable instead of x, take some 100 and do it. Now this method I'll show this problem. Let B's income is rupees 100. So A's income is 10% more than B. That means this is the B. Actually you have to find out how much percent B's income is less than A percent. So we don't know B's income, I took it as X. Then based on this, A's income is 10% more than B. That means 100 plus 10% of 100. That is 100 plus 10% of 100 is 10 by 100 into 100. 100 cancel, 10 plus 100 plus 10 is 110. So 110 rupees is the A income now, till now. But A's income is 110 now. So B's income is 10 rupees less than A. According to this, if A's income is rupees 110, that means B's income. So B's income is equals to how much less? 10 rupees less. Rupees 10 less than A. Up to here as per this condition. Because 100 and 110, no? So B's income is 10 rupees less than A. So for example, if A's income rupees 1, in case rupees 1 it is, then B's income is equals to 10 by 110. Then B's income is equals to rupees 10 by 110, because how much less by original value? 110. Less than A. This much is less than A. Less than A it is. Then if A's income is rupees 100, in case if his income is rupees 100, then B's income is equals to same 10 by 110 into 100 you should take. 10 by 110 into 100 times 100. You can simplify this. So 0 0 cancel, 100 by 11, that is 9, 1 by 11 percentage is less than a. So 9 1 by 11 percentage less than a. Actually this is the regular method. Let us see some problem in algebraic method also, then you can understand both together. Now for example, this is the question in this type. Alternate method or algebraic method, I'll explain this problem now. A number decreased by 18% becomes 410. Find the number. So let us take x now. Let the original number. In this case, let original number be x. X you can take. Then number decreased by 18%. Decreased by 18%. So original number is x, right? X minus 18% decreased. Again 18% of x. Because the number is x. If we decrease 18%, x minus 18% of x is equals to 410. Now this we can simplify. So x minus 18 by 100 into x is equals to 410. Simplify 100x minus 18x LCM. 100x minus 18x by 100 is equals to 410. 100 minus 18, 82x is equals to 41000. 100 take this side. Then x is equals to 41,000 divided by 82. 41 times 2 it is 81 5s, so 500 will get. So this is the one that we can take. Same problems if you want the direct method. If you want the new number, if you want to find out the new number, because this value is decreased by 18%, that means 100 minus, so 1 minus x by 100, so 18 by 100 into original number. So because of decreasing it becomes 410. So into original number is a formula. Previous we checked, no, same type. New number is equal to original number into 1 minus 18 by 100. But new number they gave 410 is equal to 1 minus 18 by 100 is same 82 by 100 is equal to original number. Is the original number. Now based on this, 410 into 100 by 82 is equal to original number. You just simplify, you'll get same 500. That is the original. Right, I'm not writing full. So this is the one more way we can use the formula like previous one. Main thing is algebraic method. Also you can do these type of problems. Right. Most of the sums you can notice the percent and percentage this type. So based on this you can continue the other problems also. Right. Those are watching the first time our channel, you can subscribe to it to follow the content in order. It will be helpful for you.